Alright guys, so I just happened to be on my beach walk when the big pickup for morning is happening. I definitely didn't time it, but it is as chaotic as it gets here in Drake. There's a bunch of different drivers and everybody's supposed to find their boat. It's also the trips leaving for the national park, so to go to Corcovado for both stations, and going back to Sierra Bay. So it can be a little intimidating to see these crowds of people and all the boats just lining up, and you're like, which boat is mine? Hopefully not the ones that are sitting up here. So we probably have 50 people here waiting to be picked up. Let's see how smoothly it goes. I recognize the captains. Let's have a look around. Good timing. I would never time this normally. This is cool. Everybody gets help putting their bags on, because let me tell you, you're not doing it yourself. I feel like he's going in with his shoes. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, he did it. Wow. Good job. You'd think he was like a longtime captain or something. Alright, that crew is almost ready to go. This is very organized for Drake Bay. Oh, look, there's Ullman. It's the first time I'm seeing him. Apparently this is the place to be first thing in the morning to see all the things, all the people. Oh, there might be more than 50 people. Definitely a lot of boats. Wow, I just don't make it this far. Usually I keep to the other side first thing in the morning, but I always make time. The boat rides are definitely part of the adventure, especially if you've never done anything like this before. Let's walk down this way. It's a little bit less crazy. This is the school in the back. These are all almond trees. And what almond trees mean is macaws. It's their favorite food. So they're just starting to flower now. Oh, there goes the luggage. But in a few months they'll be ready to eat, and there'll be even more macaws just in these trees that you see here lining the beach. Over here, just to the right of the main boat area, is my amigo Ivan's water rental place. So he has kayaks and paddle boards, and he does tours up the river. Oh, look, it's a random dog. Hello. There's the school playground there, you can see. I am not going to walk all the way down. But if you keep walking that way, you get to the river, one of many, and Cocalito Beach. And if you keep following it, it is actually the Drake Bay Coastal Trail that ends at San Josecito. And that's like for a 2.5 hour to 4 hour hike one way. And usually I do it at least once a year. We'll see. I'm definitely out of shape. Alright guys, so that was our impromptu beach walk. I finally got my data sorted. I should be able to upload this. And this is mid-January. We're just starting to get the beautiful summer weather. The rains, I think, are gone. This is one of the prettiest mornings we've had. We had a rainbow yesterday, actually. But still, actually a very beautiful time to come. Most times are beautiful to come here. It is hot. It is like 32 degrees at 7 a.m. here. The water is finally warming up to my 27, 28 degrees, so it's about the same temperature as the air, believe it or not, which is another reason that I love it here. So if you want to exchange wherever you are for some super fun adventures here in one of the world's most beautiful and wildest paradise, for wildlife lovers especially, hit me up. I'm here in person to host you this year. I know all the things, all the operators. We are going to have the best time. Have a great weekend, everyone. Over and out from beautiful Drake Bay.